What's up, YouTube? MX Dude here. So, we got a Chinese rebuild kit for a banshee. Yeah, so I picked up some junk. 2001 banshee. Got it for dirt cheap. There's a bunch of goodies on the bike, but that video is not about that bike, so it's about that cheap Asian top-in. Okay, so I just opened up the box, and I didn't buy that piece of shit. Okay, I got it with a bike. So I was just looking at it, and it doesn't look that cheap, but there's some parts that do look cheap. So let's start off with the freaking bearing. Yeah, those bearings are really cheap, and they're actually loose in the crank. There's up and down movement. That's no good. That's no good. Yeah, that's no good. Okay. The pistons do look, I don't want to say quality, but they don't look like they're that much of junk. You know, they look in decent quality. Don't take my word for it, okay? Don't take my word. It's still some Asian crap, you know. Cylinders are okay. They're not bad, actually. They're really not bad at all. Porting could be a little better, but that's what you get. It's about like $200 for the whole fucking kit. Yeah. So I got the OEM top in here. I was comparing the stock OEM top end with the Asian top end, and there's quite a difference. Original, Asian. That's the top cap. It's just too bad everything is black, because I'm planning to use all the cylinders and buying some Wesco piston. I'm not gonna use those pistons. Well, actually, I'm not sure yet. So they do give you some spark plug, or like a no-name spark plug, which I won't use, that's for sure. They gave me 2 kit of gasket. Well, it came with 2 gasket kit. You got the circlip, wrist pin, and those junk bearings. Just listen to that. No, that's junk. It looks cheesy. It looks cheap. That's the worst part on all that kit. And everything else look okay, besides the fucking spark plug. Everything look okay, but those fucking bearing and the spark plug, no name spark plug. Nah, I don't want to use that. So most likely won't use those fucking spark plug, but I may use those piston, and I will definitely use those cylinders. So we'll see if they last. So, see, that one's already been oversized just a little. I think, like, I'm not sure how much, but those pistons are bigger than the Asian top-end. Oh yeah. Hopefully it's gonna last. Well, it's probably not gonna last. Anyway, it's gonna be a quick flip. So that's about it. I think that should cover everything. And those fucking kits are about $200 on eBay. So it could be worth, it could be not worth it. You know what I mean? And it could be good, it could not be good. Some people had good luck with them. I might try them. I'm definitely gonna use those fucking cylinder. Piston, I'm not sure yet. I may use them, but I'm definitely not gonna use those fucking bearing and those spark plugs. Those are junk. I'm gonna have to take a look at those wrist pins, but hopefully they're good. Alright, that's it. Peace out.